Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm going to give everybody an update on my new book. I know some of you are waiting for delivery of your book, and I do have some good news. Let me start with, I took my book to the Amsterdam Aviation Fair, and as you know, I sold out the books during that show. So we had to do another reprint, which was good news, but because of the COVID, it took us a while to get our next batch of books from the shipper. So these have arrived. They arrived yesterday, and if you're waiting for your copy, I'm going to be mailing it today, so you should have them soon. Now, if you don't have a copy of my book, in the upper right-hand corner, there's a click out where you can actually order my book. I'll just tell you guys what it's about. It's a guide on collecting travel agent display models, the vintage manufacturer models that were supplied to industry back in the day. Now, these aren't the mass-produced models of today. It is an all-color book. It's 160 pages. These are the labels of some of the famous aircraft display model makers, and it's an all-color production. All the pages are, of course, glorious color, and it's a book all about the values of these models. It's a collector, appraiser, and value guide. So it tells you what models to collect, what are the rare and more desirable models to have in your collection. So this is a must-have book if you're a serious collector of professional travel agent display models. As I explained earlier, I sold the book out when I was in Amsterdam at the Amsterdam show back in February of this year. That was a great show for aircraft display model collectors. And I produced a video on that show, and lots of cool models were at the Amsterdam show. And that video is linked in the upper right-hand corner of the video that you're watching now, so you can go check it out. So I hope you will consider buying my book if you haven't already purchased it. There's more information also on the website that's posted below. And I'd like to thank everybody that has books in order for your confidence in my book, and I hope you do enjoy my book. Thank you very much. I'm wishing everybody all the best. Have a good summer and happy collecting to all.